Hi guys, and welcome to YouTube channel Quick Guide, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can Dropbox a US visa on your computer or your laptop. To do so, simply open up your account on Dropbox by going on to dropbox.com website on your Google Chrome and then log into your account. After you have logged into your account, you'll see that you'll be on the home page. After you are on the home page, you can see an option for upload or drop. Simply click on it and you can see that these three options of file, folder and import from Google Drive will appear. From here, if you have a USB's picture in your Google Drive, simply click on this. Otherwise, simply click on the file option to download or drop the US feature that you have in your file explorer in your computer or a PC. After clicking on to the file option, now you can see that a small folder will appear where now you are able to select the file or the photo they want to upload on your Dropbox. And after it opens up, simply search for it and click on it and then click on open or continue. After that, just see that you'll be able to Dropbox your US visa from your PC's storage into your Dropbox, and that is how you can Dropbox your US visa from your file explorer into Dropbox. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find that video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to YouTube channel and hit the bell notification, and don't forget to drop a comment for review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.